Video 8. Optical Illusions. This is Switch On. Watch and listen. Perspective. Horizon. Vertical. Horizontal. Steep. Width. Vision. Optical illusions have been fascinating people for a very long time. They use patterns, colour, or light to trick our brains into seeing things that are different from reality. A popular 19th century illusion was created by physiologist Adolf Fick in 1851. This illusion is sometimes known as the top hat illusion. This hat seems taller than it is wide, but in actual fact, its height and width are the same size. Today, we call this the vertical-horizontal illusion. The brain will always see a vertical line longer than a horizontal line of the same size. And this is why hills ahead of us seem steeper than they are and valleys deeper. The Ponzo illusion was first demonstrated by the Italian psychologist Mario Ponzo in 1911. He suggested that the human mind judges an object's size based on its background. The classic example is the train tracks shown here. Look at the two red lines on the tracks. The red line at the top seems longer than the other one, but in actual fact, they are the same length. The human brain is used to seeing in perspective. We see the tracks going further away, so we think the top line must be bigger, but it's not. This illusion has many different versions, like these two red lines on the wall, or these cars. The moon appears larger when it is closer to the horizon than when it is high up in the sky. However, this again is an illusion tricking our brain. An explanation for this could be that, near the horizon, the moon is closer to objects that the eye can compare it to. This is the Penrose Triangle, made popular by the psychologist Lionel Penrose. Impossible objects like this make interesting optical illusions and have been used by many artists to create amazing images. Here, there's a gap moving around the pink circles. But if you look at the dot in the middle, the gap turns green. This is because the disappearing pink circles create an after image, in the same way a light seems to appear in your vision after you look at the sun. An after image is always the opposite color to the original. That's why it seems green here. The checker shadow illusion was created by Edward H. Adelson in 1995. It seems like square A is a lighter grey than square B. But is it? Your brain sees square A in shadow, and compared to the surrounding squares, it is light. As with most optical illusions, this demonstrates the success, not the failure, of the human visual system. Because we don't just see colours, we make the whole image into a meaningful situation.